Hi everyone, come to the accounts class. So in the previous session we have discussed few questions related to sacrificing ratio. And the same way in this session, we will start one more new concept that is related to new profit sharing ratio in that admission of a new partner. Here, before the going problems, first we have to know about what is new profit sharing ratio. Here, since old partners sacrifice a share of their profit, since old partners means who are the already partners in business organization, other partners, they need to sacrifice their part of profit to the incoming partner in favor of new partner. Here, new partner is nothing but incoming partner, right? So after that admission of a new partner, there is a need to ascertain on that situation. We need to ascertain these new profit sharing ratio among all the partners. Why? Because suppose here there are two partners in a business, namely A and B. On that situation, both the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1, this is what related to old profit sharing ratio among old partners. After that admission of a new partner as a C, the old partners they offered one fourth of share. One fourth of their profits in the business organization means one fourth means. So here 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. One fourth of share of profit they are sacrificing into new incoming partner. So after that reconstitution of a firm, the whole ratio it becomes as a new ratio, right? 2 is to 1 is to 1. After that admission of a new partner, we need to ascertain the ratios. So in this new profit sharing ratio, totally we have 5 cases. Out of 5 cases, let me know, we will discuss the case 1. The case 1 is related to old ratio and share sacrificed by old partners are given. This is what case 1. In this case, in the question, they given old ratio as well as share sacrificed by old partners. Both the values they given. On that situation, we need to ascertain new profit sharing ratio. Okay, all of you observe the first question related to case 1. Here, Ashu and Neetu are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2, this is what? Old profit sharing ratio of old partners. They admit Jyoti as a new partner. Who is Jyoti here? Jyoti, she is a new partner into business for 1/10 share. For 1/10 share, as a new partner, Jyoti is admitted into the business organization which she acquired from 2 by 10th from Ashu. Ashu is a old partner, right? She giving 2 by 10th of their profits into new partner. The same being 1 by 10th from Neetu. They are acquiring 1/10 from Neetu and 2 by 10th from Ashu. Finally, calculate new profit sharing ratio among Ashu, Neetu and Jyoti. Now we need to ascertain new profit sharing ratio. First we need to write that headline. The headline, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So first we need to record whatever the data given in the question. We need to write the data. The whole ratio. Whole profit sharing ratio is available, right? 3 is to 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 3 by 5 is to 2 by 5. This is what whole profit sharing ratio of Ashu and Neetu. And the same way, what is that? Share sacrificed by old partner. So Ashu, how much share actually she is sacrificing? Ashu, they are sacrificing 2 by 10th of her share. 2 by 10th. And one more partner, Neetu, she is sacrificing 1/10 of her share. So 2 plus 1 3. So 3/10. This is what new partner's share. Who is the new partner? Jyoti's share. The old partners, they are offered 3/10 of profits in the future. So this is what given data. Now we need to ascertain this new profit sharing ratio. For that ascertainment of new profit sharing ratio, we require one formula, right? The formula new share equals to new share equals to old share minus share sacrificed or share surrendered. This is what formula for calculation of new profit sharing ratio in that case 1. Okay, let me know. First, we need to ascertain new profit sharing ratio of first partner. Who is the first partner? Ashu, right? New share of Ashu. As per the given data, what is the old share of Ashu? 3/5. This is what old share, right? Right. 3/5. This is what old share of Ashu. And the same meaning share sacrificed or surrendered. How much share actually they are sacrificing in the favor of incoming partner? 2/10 of her share. They are sacrificing 2/10. So old share as well as share sacrifice, both the values directly they given, we are recorded. So now we need to take LCM factor. So 5 and 10, both the values easily we can divide, right? So we have to take LCM factor 5 and 10. 5 and the 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 and the 5, 5 2s are 10. 10, this is what maximum value. So by the way, using this value, now we need to simplify. 10 into the first value 3/5, how to take? 3 divided by 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 2 3s are 6. The first value we are ascertained. And the same way, by the way of using this maximum value, 10 into the second factor 2/10. Right? 2/10. 10 ones are 10. 1 2s are, both the values we are ascertained. You have to apply 6 and 2. 6 minus 2 divided by the maximum fractions are 10, right? Have to write 10. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 divided by 10. This is what new profit sharing ratio of Ashu. This is what first partner's new share. The next partner, which is the next partner? Neetu, right? You have to write the next partner. New share of Neetu. As per the given information, what is the old share of Neetu? 2/5. This is what old share of Neetu. You have to write 2/5 minus whatever share sacrificed. Directly they given Neetu, they are sacrificing 1/10 of her share into new incoming partner. You have to write 1/10. Also easily we can take 5 and 10 value. So by the way of using LCM, so 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. 10 is the maximum value. By the way of using these fraction, you have to simplify the values. 10 into the first transaction 2/5. Right? 2/5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. The first value we are ascertained. The next one, 10 into 1/10. 10 ones are 10, 1 ones are 1. 4 and 1 we are ascertained. 4 minus 1, Divide by the maximum value 10, right? You have to write it 10. So 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 10. So this is what new share of Neetu. Who's the next partner? New share of Jyoti. Jyoti, she is a new partner into business. How much share actually they are offered? 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So this is what new profit sharing ratio. Finally, we need to simplify. New profit sharing ratio of Ashu, Neetu and Jyoti is 4 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 3 by 10. 4 plus 3 plus 3. What is the total? 10. So now we have to simplify. 10 can cancel, means 4 is to 3 is to 3. 4 plus 3 plus 3, 10. 4 is to 3 is to 3. This is what? New profit sharing ratio among all the partners. So this is what procedure for the calculation of new share in that case 1. In the next upcoming session, we will solve one more question related to case 1. Thank you, students.